Can I just copy and paste my resume profile and work experience into LinkedIn profile? Okay, your work history, yes. So you want your resume bullet points to be exactly the same on LinkedIn. So those should be identical. However, your about section is very different. One of the things that we teach in our LinkedIn plan class is how to create a 6-second about section. Similar to the resume, they need to be able to look in there. Most people's big mistake is they write these big, long paragraphs. So if you've got a paragraph on your resume, that's a big no-no. So one, you should probably take a look at our resume plan because we teach you how to simplify the resume into a 6-second resume. But two, you also need to know in LinkedIn how to make it different. And the difference there is in the about section, you keep it to about 3 quantifiable sentences, and then you start listing out your skills. This creates that effect of a listicle, and it makes it very easy for them to read. So the answer is yes to the work history, but no to the top sections. Resume and LinkedIn need to be addressed in different ways. And again, our classes will teach you how to do both of those if you're looking for that additional help.